Okay, one more thing I wanted to add, actually a couple more things I wanted to add about the Hussey points, is that the character for this indicates something with a lid on it that's sealed up tight. So these are things that are about coming together um, and gathering. So this is good for diseases affecting this function, which is manifesting as substances leaking from the trunk or collapsing. So this holds things in place, thinking about the spleen and the kidney relating to prolapses. This is also said to be really good for rebellious qi or counterflow qi, including diarrhea, which might be flowing in the right direction, but too forcefully. Um, and this is also especially good when the yang qi is said to be not moving downwards properly, right? So obviously, things affecting our chest, our stomach, our abdomen, and conditions involving irregular eating and drinking. So these all are said to affect the interior of the body because we've eaten and drunk something and now it's deep inside us. And that can affect our digestion, and it can also affect, of course, our skin. So these are excellent points for treating skin conditions, particularly ones that manifest as exterior heat, right, or heat in the blood. And so they're also said to address kidney channel problems, and therefore they're very good for cold conditions, as well as draining damp cold and damp heat from the lower yang organs. One other thing that I thought was interesting is that this is said to be good for symptoms of Chiang Mai disorders and living contrary to one's destiny. So this relates a lot to what we spoke about in the earlier piece about connecting to your original nature and living according to that nature. So for this point, you would ask, what does the chi really need to do? What's the nature of what needs to happen? Not just this for this point, but every point. You can apply that question to each of the Shu transporting points or antique points. So again, what does the chi need to do? How does it need to move? What's the nature of what needs to happen? So there you go. Those are the Shu transporting points.